Hello students, good morning. Let's start lesson number 6. Nouns number. It's another type of noun. You have already learned that nouns can be singular or plural depending on their number. A singular noun refers to one person, place, animal, or thing. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place, animal, or thing. You have already learned singular noun and plural noun. You all know that in a singular noun, there is only one person, one place, animal, or anything. And in plural, we have two or more than two person, place, animal, or thing. Changing a singular noun into its plural form. Some singular noun forms their plural by adding s at the end. That we know very well that if we have a word cup, we have to add only s after the last alphabet and cup becomes cups. Cow, cows. Flower, flowers. Then second one. Some singular nouns that end in ch, sh, s, double s and x form their plural by adding es at the end. If we have a ending alphabet like this all, we have to add es. Watch, see. The last two alphabet are ch. So we have to add es at the end and watch become watches. Bush become bushes. Bench, benches. Brush, brushes. Singular nouns that end in o form their plural by adding es at the end. However, not all such words follow this rule and some form plurals by adding s, for example. Now, if we have a word which is ended with the o, then we can add es or s both. Volcano, volcanoes. Mango, mangoes. Piano, pianos. See, we have add es at the end of volcano and mango, and we can add only s in the piano. For some singular nouns then end in f or fe, the f or fe is changed into v and es is added. However, there are some words then that take any to form a to form. For example, now if we have an alphabet f at the end or fe at the end, we can change that f or fe into v e s. See, leaf, leaves. Half, halves. Roof, roofs. Chief, chiefs. If a noun ends in y and has a consonant before it, then the y changes into ies in the plural form. However, if the noun ends in y and has a vowel before it, then we add only s for form its plural. For example, now see, FLY. Our last alphabet is Y, and we have to see the second last alphabet. It is L, and L is a consonant. We know that A, E, I, O, U is our vowel, and another alphabets are our consonant. So here L is a consonant, so we have to add ES. City, cities. Now see, toy. Last alphabet is Y. See. And second last alphabet is O. So O is vowel. So then at this time we have to add only S. So toy, toys. Boy, boys. In some compound words, we make the first word a plural. For example, passerby. Now, in passerby, only at the end of passer we have to add s. We do not do anything after the by. See, passerby, passers-by, son-in-law, sons-in-law. Okay. Some nouns do not follow any rules. They have a completely different plural form. Now, some words cannot follow any rules. Their spellings are totally changed. See, man, man. Man, man is singular. Men, man is plural. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Some singular nouns do not change their forms when they become plural. For example, now there are too many words which cannot be changed in anything but they have same. For example, deer. Deer is singular and deer is plural also. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. Spacecraft, spacecraft. Aircraft, aircraft. Furniture, furniture. Okay? Now learn exercise number 1. Filling the blanks by choosing the correct form of noun given in the bracket. Mrs. Sen has 4 dash. Now see singular or plural. Here we have a digit 4 and 4 is more than 2. So it is plural. So children. Correct answer is children. Dash love playing with rattles. Now here we can put baby love playing with rattles. Answer is baby. I saw a dash running by. Now here article is a refers to singular noun. So I saw a mouse running by. I love flying kites. Avi gave dash to his friends. Now here friends is plural. So we have to put watches. Now leftover you have to do in homework. Now countable noun and uncountable noun. This is the another type of noun in number. It is also very easy. On the basis of their number, quantity, nouns can also be classified as countable or uncountable noun. Nouns that refers to people or thing that can be counted are called countable noun. For example, 1 dog, 3 pencil, 5 apples. See, the nouns which we can count 1, 2, 3 in digit we can if we can count then it is all countable nouns. And what is uncountable noun? Nouns that refers to things that cannot be counted. For example, liquid like oil, milk, water. We cannot say that 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 water. No. Okay, so if we cannot count them into the digit, then it is uncountable noun. powders and gases, and abstract nouns like happiness, kindness, etc. These all are uncountable noun. Okay. Now learn exercise number 1. Look at this picture and identify these as a countable or uncountable noun. Now students, if you can draw it, then okay, and if you cannot, then you can write only name. First one is sugar. We can count the sugar in the digit? No. So sugar is uncountable noun. Juice is a liquid. We cannot count it into the digit, so it is uncountable. Then vegetables, it is countable. We can see this, give me one potato, two potato, or we can also say vegetable as a uncountable, because we are saying that give me the 1 kg of vegetables. Okay, so it is countable or uncountable. Okay. Fourth one is chocolates or toffees. It is countable. Fifth one is butter. We cannot count butter into the digit, so it is uncountable. Sixth one is breads. We can count it, so it is countable. Then identify the highlighted nouns as countable or uncountable noun. Now we have a one sentence. We have to see that which word is underlined, it is highlighted in a red handwriting, and only that word we have to identify that whether it is a countable or uncountable. The children were playing in the rain. Children, we can count the children, 2 children, 3 children. Okay, so it is countable. I drink milk every day. Milk is a liquid, so we cannot count. It is uncountable. Scientists are trying to find a solution for global warming. We can count the scientist. Yes, so it is countable. I mixed the butter in the mixture of flour, sugar and eggs to make the batter. Eggs, we can count the eggs, so it is countable. Rahul applied glue on one side of cutouts and pasted them on a chart paper. Glue is a liquid. We cannot count it into the digit, so it is uncountable. 6 to 10 you have to do in homework. Thank you student. Please write all these exercise in your notebook and send.